In this video, I'm going to go over 5 Google Chrome productivity extensions for teachers to know in 2023 to help them be more productive. Let's check it out. All right, let's get into the first extension that's going to help you be more productive in the new year, and that's going to be OneTab. So I'm going to go ahead and play this short little clip. As you can see, I have several tabs open up here, and if I go and I click the OneTab extension, it's going to bring it into a neat collection where I could rename these. If I want to call them period 1 project, I could do so. I could call them saved tabs if I use them all the time. I could also lock this group so I won't be able to delete it by accident. And then I could rename it, share it. I could share all these tabs with my students as well. So if you go over to share as a web page, it's going to bring this neat organized link list that I could share either by using the QR code or giving them the link, and it's going to bring them to this page. The second one is called PrintFriendlyPDF, and I really fell in love with this extension during COVID when I couldn't print stuff out and give them to my students. So for this one, you're going to go to any website that you want, and you're going to hit the Print Friendly extension tab. It's going to basically take this big active screenshot of the article that you're looking at, and then you're going to be able to hyper focus on any part of that article. And if you don't want it, you simply hit the trash can and delete it. When you're done, you could hit PDF, and you could send out only the parts of that article or website that you want your students to see. It's going to really help a lot of students stay focused on what's important, and it's going to allow you to also save paper because you're sending this digitally. The next extension is called Go Full Screen Capture Extension. So sometimes you just want to be able to capture the whole page that you're looking at. Whether you go to a website and you're looking at an article that goes forever, or maybe just the web page is just really good with a lot of resources. So what you could do is you can go in to Go Full Screen Capture, and you're going to click the extension, and what it's going to do is it's going to take and capture that whole entire web page. And then when you're in there, you could go ahead and edit it with shapes. In case you want to annotate it, you could draw arrows to the most important pieces, and then at the end you could share this with your students. So this one is full page screen capture. It's another one that I would highly recommend, especially when you're handing stuff out to your students digitally or trying to explain certain things within a web page. This is an awesome feature. The fourth productivity Google Chrome extension is called Dualless. This is another one that I really enjoy. At my work setup, I'm fortunate enough to have two screens that I can work off of, and that just makes me more productive as it is. But sometimes I'm away from my desk, or I'm on vacation or riding a train or a plane, and I'm doing some work, and I need that split screen. This especially works for people doing data entry, something along those lines. Dualless allows you to make a split screen that looks really nice at the ratio in which you want it to, just by downloading the Dualless for Google Chrome. So go there, download it. Once you're done, you'll get this icon and you'll be able to split your screen. This is a 50-50 screen split, but you could do 75-25, whatever you want. When you're done working in the split screen, you could go back to this 1 ratio, and it's going to bring you back to the full set. Let's go to the last one, which is Remote for Slides extension. Sometimes when I go to conferences to do presentations, if I forget batteries, or my batteries are dead, or I just forget the remote altogether, this extension allows you to have a remote just by using another device, whether it's a second computer or an iPad or even a phone. So this one's pretty cool. There's some simple steps here for you to follow, and it's going to connect your presentation to your phone or whatever device you want, and you're going to have a simple presentation pointer, clicker to the next slide type of thing going on here. So that's going to wrap up our 5 Google Chrome extensions that's going to produce productivity. I hope there's one in this list that will help you out.